guys, we're rolling into the new year. Hey guys, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over some outdoor equipment and sporting equipment that I picked up in the past week that I can sell on eBay. The first item I have here is just more of a toy. It's a New Bright Ford Raptor truck, and I got the idea from YouTuber Harry Tornado. I've seen him pick up these trucks before, and this truck right here sells anywhere between $40 to $70, and you can also actually just sell the batteries by themselves for $15 to $20 each. And I picked up this truck for $6. Alright, the next item that I have here are some rollerblades. These rollerblades are K2, and I knew they were worth something because one, I have a pair, and the original price tag is actually still on here for $180. These are priced at, $30, but I actually got them for about $25 because I had a 25% off coupon. But as you can see, these rollerblades are brand new, still in the box. They might be a little bit of an older version of rollerblades, but I think I should be able to get anywhere from $40 to $100. And I'm also gonna throw them up on the Facebook Marketplace because they're kind of heavy and it would be a nice item to sell on there. And then this week, I was at my local Goodwill and I found 5 golf clubs for $2 each. So let me show you those. And let me just mention that all of these are left-handed clubs, so I'm assuming the same person donated them. So this is a Nicholas driver, and it is selling anywhere from $30 to $60 online. I'm probably gonna list it for about $30 because the grip is kind of messed up and there's a couple scratches on the bottom here. The next one is a Callaway Big Bertha Heaven Wood. And I believe this is called a hybrid, and this one is selling anywhere from $25 to $30 on eBay. Lastly, these 3 were the ones that really caught my attention when I first got up there because they had the Ping logo on it. The first one here is a G10 Ping number 3. I believe this is also a hybrid club, left-handed, and this one is selling anywhere from $40 to $60 online. So I'll probably list it for $50. And then lastly, these 2 clubs right here are G15 Ping clubs. I'm just gonna open this one up really quick for you so you can kind of see what it looks like. And I'm gonna sell these 2 together as a set, but individually they sell anywhere from $50 to $100. So I'm gonna list these for $150 as a set. Next, yesterday I was shopping at my local Ross and I came across these soccer goalie gloves. For those of you that don't know, I play soccer and now I'm a soccer coach. And when I played, I was a goalkeeper, and I'm also a goalkeeper coach now. I actually own these exact gloves, so I knew they were worth something. They also have a price tag of $130 retail. So when I was at Ross, I saw these gloves. I knew instantly that I was gonna pick them up for a good price, but I couldn't find a price on them. I brought them up to the counter and they actually gave them to me for $10. I think I should be able to sell these for anywhere from $40 to $50 because they're new condition and the box is a little bit messed up, but I think the colorway is a highly sought after one, and I think I should be able to get at least $50 for them. So the next one I saw on the bottom of a shelf sitting like this in one of my local thrift stores, and it was kind of later in the day, and usually it's a little bit more picked over by that point in the day, but I opened up this sleeping bag and I noticed that it was a military sleeping bag. So I, of course, pulled it all the way out to see which one it was. And if you're not familiar with military gear or military equipment, there's usually a big tag like this on their sleeping bags or coats or jackets. And so right down here it says sleeping bag, intermediate cold weather. So all I did was search sleeping bag, intermediate cold weather, and I found this bag online, and it was selling anywhere from $50 to $100 online, so I'm gonna list it for $75 plus shipping and see what happens. Don't sleep on sleeping bags. Alright, next up I have a set of Feather brand oars or paddles. and these are 4 feet in length. These are priced at $5 a piece, but they gave me a deal and they gave me the set for $8. Plus I had a 25% off coupon, so I paid only $6 for the set of these two. I'm looking to sell these for $30 to $50 on eBay. And last but not least, I found this aluminum lawn chair at my local thrift store today, and it's in really, really good condition. Believe it or not, these things are selling online for pretty good money these days. It would be better if you can find a set of them of 2, 3, or 4, but I found this one alone. I paid, the tag says $8, but I know I paid $6 because I had a 25% off coupon on that one as well. So I paid $6, and I'm looking to make anywhere from $25 to $50. So I calculated everything up, and everything that's here, once it sells, it should sell for a total of about $500. And I multiplied that number by 85%, which accounts for 15% in eBay fees, and that came to $425. And then from the $425, I subtract the cost of the goods that I have here, and the total cost was $73. So I'm looking to take home about $352 from all of these outdoor goods that I picked up this week. Thanks for stopping by today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. And comment below your favorite item that I picked out this week. And also make sure you smack the like button before you go.